Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Bessemer is a small city located in Gogebic County in Michigan's western Upper Peninsula, about 5 miles south of the Lake Superior shoreline. It sits along U.S. Highway 2, surrounded by forests, hills, and the mining country that defines much of this region. The city has a population of roughly 1,900 people, giving it a small-town atmosphere where most services are locally focused and the community is closely connected. The city was founded in the late 19th century during the rapid expansion of iron mining in the Gogebic Range. Bessemer was officially incorporated in 1888 and quickly developed as a support center for nearby mines. The city was named after Henry Bessemer, the English engineer who developed the Bessemer process for steel production, which played a major role in making iron ore from this region highly valuable. Iron mining was the driving force behind Bessemer's early growth. The surrounding hills contained rich deposits of iron ore, which were extracted and shipped to steel mills across the Midwest. Rail lines were built through the area to support this industry, and Bessemer became an important hub for workers, equipment, and trade. During the early 20th century, the population and economy of the city were closely tied to the success of the mines. As the mining industry declined in the mid-20th century, Bessemer experienced economic changes similar to many towns in the Upper Peninsula. With fewer active mines, the city shifted its focus toward government services, small businesses, and tourism. Today, the surrounding region is known for outdoor recreation, including skiing, snowmobiling, hiking, and fishing. The nearby Porcupine Mountains and Lake Superior shoreline attract visitors throughout the year. Bessemer also serves as the county seat of Gogebic County, which gives it a continuing role as an administrative and service center for the region. The city has worked to preserve its historic character while adapting to modern needs, maintaining a balance between its industrial past and its present-day identity. For travelers, Bessemer offers a clear example of a northern Michigan community shaped by mining history, natural landscapes, and long-term resilience.
Thanks for watching!